Want to delete a TikTok video you have already posted? Here's how to remove it in seconds. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. And here we'll see all the videos you have posted. Open the video you just wanna delete and tap the three-dot menu, then swipe left until you see the delete button. Just tap it and confirm, and your video is gone. So now if you're wondering how to restore or see your deleted TikTok video, just go to the hamburger menu and from settings and privacy, open Activity Center and tap recently deleted. Here you will see all your removed video there, and when you open up one, you can find this restore option and confirm the restore. Now go back to your profile and you will see your video is back that you deleted before. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.